We have 4 beds in now in the second greenhouse where we've never had any beds. So we've been doing the Shishubibon Japanese torching method, scraping it off, oiling them, letting it dry. And as you can see, we are really over planted in all of these beds, but there is a reason for that, because these were all supposed to go into the current beds in the other greenhouse, but we lost the top to that, so we've been struggling to hurry up build beds so they're in this one with the top. And what I do is I build little greenhouses within the greenhouses. So as you can see, we're putting these little things on to hold pipes, and I use 2 of them just to stabilize them each. So every bed has got 16 of those in. And then I will cover this with roof tarping, and that helps to insulate them even though they are in the greenhouse. Okay, I just closed everything up. So yeah, we have little greenhouses within the greenhouse, and this is what we use. This is our old roof that got taken away. So this is not just your run-of-the-mill 6 mil stuff. This is 16 mil 3-ply corded. So this stuff's expensive. So whenever we do replace the top, every bit that we can recycle and reuse, we do. That stuff is not cheap. So we make little greenhouses within the greenhouse, and especially now that we don't have a top, so I've got to protect the plants somehow. And here's the chickies. They're growing. They are growing. So there's 26 of them. And we've got the ones with the white on the front. Those guys are black Aracondas. That one is a barred rock. I've got, I think, 6 of those. Or that could be I think that's going to be a barred rock. And then the all black ones, like right there, that's one of my I.M. Semanis. Solid black. So I either have 3 or 4 or 5. We'll see how many they gave me. I have to count them again because I only ordered 4. One of them passed, but they included 5 other mixed birds, so I have to double check. Then we've got to work on their outside run. We're doubling that. It's already a 50 by 50 foot, but we're going to double it because I would like to do a little petting zoo area. And then we have to put up some posts, and then we'll put netting over the whole thing so no flying predators gets in. Yeah, hi babies. Hi babies.